Okay, children, which topic will do today? Fractions, part 12. Now, exercise 7.4 class 6 maths, question 7. Find answers to the following. Write and indicate how you solve them. Is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? How to compare two unlike fractions, children? I thought you know. Can anybody tell me the answer? Yes, by cross multiplication. How to do that? Numerator 1 into denominator 2 is equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2. So, what is the numerator 1 here? 5. Denominator 1, 9. Numerator 2, 4. Denominator 2, 5. So, numerator 1 into denominator 2 is what? 5 into 5. 25 is equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2, 9 into 4, 36. You know 36 is greater than 25. So, what is the number on the left hand side you get when you do cross multiplication? 25. Which is what is the value you will get on the right hand side when you do cross multiplication? 36. 36 greater than 25. Therefore, 4 by 5 is greater than 5 by 9 because 4 by 5 is the fraction on the right hand side, 5 by 9 is on the left hand side. 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9. Is it equal? Do the same procedure, children. Numerator 1 into denominator 2 equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2. So, numerator 1 is what here? 9 into denominator 2, 9. 9 into 9 is 81 equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2. So, denominator 1 is 16 into numerator 2 is 5. So, which is what is the value on the left hand side? 9 into 9, 81. Right hand side, 16 into 5, 80. So, we know 81 is greater than 80. Therefore, 9 by 16 greater than 5 by 9. 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20. Is it equal? Same thing, do cross multiplication. 4 into 20 on the left hand side will equal 80. Again, 5 into 16 on the right hand side equals 80. Therefore, both 80 and 80 are equal. Therefore, 4 by 5 is equal to 16 by 20. D. Question D here. 1 by 15 equal to 4 by 30. Is it what? You have to insert the sign and you can say what is the answer for this. 1 by 5 equal to 4 by 30. How to do that? Again, unlike fractions, both. Therefore, you have to do cross multiplication. Numerator 1 into denominator 2 is equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2. Numerator 1 is 1 into denominator 2, 30. 1 into 30 is what? 30. Equal to 4 into 15. Numerator 2 into denominator 1. So, you know left hand side what is the value? 30. Right hand side 15 into 4, 60. 60 is greater than 30. So, what is the fraction on the left hand side? 1 by 15. What is the fraction on the right hand side? 4 by 30. Therefore, 4 by 30 greater than 1 by 15. Now, question 8, exercise 7.4, class 6 maths, question 8, okay. Ela reads a 25 pages of book containing 100 pages. So, there is a book of 100 pages. Ela has read how many pages of that? 25 pages. Lalita has read 2 by 5th of the same book. Who reads less? So, you have to decide whether Ela reads less or Lalita reads less of the same book. So, Ela reads 25 out of 100 pages. So, in terms of fraction, how you will write that? 25 by 100. Very good. 25 by 100 can be written as 1 by 4. How? 25 ones are 25, 4s are 1 by 4. Lalita reads 2 by 5 of the same book. So, we are comparing 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. When you are comparing two unlike fractions, what I told you, which method you have to follow? Cross multiplication. So, numerator 1 into denominator 2 should be equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2. So, 1 into 5, numerator 1 into denominator 2 is equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2. Since 5 is lesser than 8, we know 2 by 5 is greater than 1 by 4 or Ela reads lesser amount of pages. Exercise 7.4 class 6 maths question 9. Rafiq exercise for 3/6 of an hour while Rohit exercise for 3/4 of an hour. Who exercise for longer time? Rafiq exercise 3 by 6 of an hour. Okay. What part of an hour did Rafiq exercise? 3 by 6 of an hour. Rohit exercise 3 by 4 of an hour. Now, when you are comparing unlike fraction, what you have to do? Do cross multiplication. Numerator 1 into denominator 2 is equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2. 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 into 6 is 18. 12 is lesser than 18. Therefore, 3 by 4 greater than 3 by 6. Rohit exercise for a longer time. So exercise 7.4 class 6 maths question 10. In a class of 25 students, 20 passed in the first class. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed in the first class. In which class was a greater fraction of students getting first class? In class A, how many students passed out of first class out of 25 students? 20 out of 25 students passed with first class. So how do you write this in fraction? 20 by 25 or 4 by 5. 5 4s are 5 5s are 4 by 5. In class B, 24 students out of 30 students passed with first class. In terms of fraction, I will write 24 divided by 30. 6 4s are 6 5s are. One side you will get 4 by 5. Comparing both fractions, 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Hence, class A and class B have the same fractions. Okay, children, we'll continue the next part in the next session.